Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to get over pending download on Google Play Store on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, I'm gonna show you the problem on Play Store has come, that is pending for download any application or waiting for Wi-Fi. Okay, and then to solve it, you can click profile icon here. And then please select settings menu. Well, after that, click on network preferences, and then you can select second option here. Okay, and then you can set it on over any network. Okay, and then now you can see that the pending download on Play Store is over. Well, that's the tutorial on how to get over pending download on Google Play Store on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.